Hi, I'm Chef Paulette. I'm so excited because today we're going to make pizza, but we're going to make it on the grill, grilled pizza. It seems like, how is that possible? But it's possible. Now let me show you my dough. I made this dough, I made a big batch of dough. I cut it into different size pieces, but you can buy dough, you know, at the supermarket. They make it fresh and you can buy like a pound of dough. And so you're welcome to do that. I'm also going to put the recipe for my father's pizza dough on the Today in Nashville website, so you'll be able to make it if you want. I have my toppings already ready. I grated some mozzarella. I have some sliced fresh tomato, some scallions, some mushrooms, and oregano, olive oil, and we'll use some tomato sauce. Actually, this is just crushed tomatoes that I'm going to use straight from the can. So I'm going to press it out, and it's up to you how big you want it. Sometimes it's fun to have a pizza party. Everybody gets their own pizza and they can put on their different toppings. So you can almost let the pizza dough, the weight of the dough, help stretch it if you turn it like this. Okay? You want to get some olive oil on here. So I'm going to put some olive oil, spread it around. This is so the dough does not stick to the grill, and do it on both sides. As you can see, this is not a round pizza. You don't have to have any special shapes for your pizza. Okay, we have our pizza dough pressed out. We have it oiled on both sides, and now we're going to take it out to the grill. Okay, here we are. Outside, yay. Come over here, I want to show you the grill. So we got the grill on, it's been on, it's very hot. We sprayed it with Pam first before you turn it on, please be careful. So it's got a little grease on top of the grill, and then we have the olive oil on our pizza dough. So the only way to do this is just to carry your dough over to the grill. We'll start with the big piece. Gotta go kind of quick, just let it hang, and then just throw it on there, just like that. Okay, I'm gonna get the other one. Smaller is easier. Just throw it right on there. Okay, so it's floppy, it's hard to handle, but in just a little while, the flames underneath, and this is at medium, those flames are coming, is gonna stiffen up the dough, and you're gonna be able to flip it over very, very easily. That'll take about 2 to 3 to 4 minutes. And it's okay to get a little char on the bottom of the crust, because that makes it really, really tasty. Okay, so let's see how we're doing. See how it's gotten nice and stiff underneath? You got some nice grill lines. How about this one? That's good. That's just what you want. So you can just turn it over. Turn it over. See, it's so easy to handle now. Rather than leave it on there, what we're going to do is we're going to drag them both off onto a peel, or use a sheet pan or a cookie sheet, whatever's easier. We're going to put our toppings on this side and then drag it back on so the bottom can cook. Okay, we got our pizza. We're ready for our toppings. I love this part. You know that toppings could be anything. Okay, so we got our toppings on. We're going to put it right back on the pizza grill, on the grill here. So just take your tongs and pull it right back on top, all right? Now, this is when I like to cover it so that everything on top gets a chance to really melt and cook, all right? So we're going to cover it, and I'm going to go top the other pizza. Okay, I think they're done. Woo-wee, look at that bubbling. Whoa, okay. You know, if you get a little bit burnt, that's a good thing. Let me put this one down, I'll get the other one. Just drag it right off. Drag it onto a sheet pan or a cookie sheet. If you don't have a peel, that's okay. Let's bring it over to the table and cut it up. You can use a pizza cutter or use a pair of scissors, which happens to be a lot easier. It's gonna go just like this. It's pretty hot, so I'm holding on with these tongs. Look at that crunch. Ooh, love it. And you can do it as small pieces as you like, depending on how people like to eat it. I don't know, this might be too hot to even taste, but I'm gonna give it a try. Look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at it falling off. Look at that gorgeous crust underneath. Okay, here comes the taste test. Have to blow it. Mmm. That is so good. I hope you'll try this. I'm Chef Paulette, chefpaulette.net, and I'll see you next time.